Whether you are an experienced investor or someone new in the market, understanding the role of brokers and choosing the right one according to your needs is extremely important. Hi everyone, this is Chahal Verma, and in this video we are going to discuss how to choose the right broker for your investment or trading journey. A broker acts as an intermediary between you and the stock exchange. They are members of the stock exchange. They are the ones which facilitate the buying and selling of securities or stocks, ensuring that your orders are executed efficiently. Brokers are essential for accessing the stock market, and they offer a range of services tailored for different types of investors. Now, there are many types of brokers, each serving a different purpose. First are full service brokers. Along with acting as the intermediary to execute buy and sell orders, these brokers offer many additional services to their clients like financial advice, investment research, full customer service, etc. Larger investors often use full service brokers. They need research and advice before taking their investment decision. Full service brokers may also be suitable for investors who do not have much understanding of stocks. They need investment advice and customer service for making more informed investment decisions. Brokerage charges for full service brokers are often higher than those of discount brokers. Second, discount brokers. These brokers provide basic services at a lower cost. They execute trades for you but usually do not offer investment advice or other research services. Discount brokers offer just the online trading platform. They do not offer services such as research or investment advice. In return, their brokerage charges are lower than those of full service brokers. They are more suitable for intraday traders. Trading efficiency of intraday traders is enhanced because of lower brokerage charges of discount brokers. A stockbroker has many important roles. First is proper and seamless execution of buy or sell orders on behalf of the client. Second, providing access to different investments such as stocks, mutual funds, gold, bonds, etc. Third, full-service brokerage firms provide detailed research reports, offer investment advisory services, and help clients in building a good portfolio. Choosing the right type of broker is an important decision for any investor. It plays a major role in deciding your success in the market. Here are 3 things you need to check before deciding. First, make sure to compare fees, commissions, and other charges. Select a broker with competitive rates that can also meet your investment and trading needs. Second, make sure that the broker you choose has good user interface. There are many platforms that start glitching or crash very frequently. This in turn may cause significant inconvenience for you as a customer. This step can help you avoid this. Lastly, a broker whose platform offers tools such as charts may help you in making more informed decisions. Choosing the right broker and understanding their role can definitely enhance your trading experience and investing success. Remember that a good broker is not just a service provider, but it may also act as a partner in your investment journey. So make sure you choose the right one. And that brings us to the end of this video. I really hope you found this helpful. Let me know in the comments if you have any questions.
Investment in securities market are subject to market risks. Read all the related documents carefully before investing.